to Cindy Lou's channel today. Today we're going to tackle the Dalgona Candy. So, some things you'll be needing today. Your Play-Doh, baking soda, some parchment paper, and I actually made cookie cutters with tin foil that's folded, and I'm going to show you how it's done. And also, don't forget you need sugar for this.
Create shapes using Adobe Illustrator. That's what I did. Then use tinfoil and fold them until you reach a certain thickness. Just like so. Now you can see it's nice and thick. We can now mold the tinfoil, bending all corners just by folding, just like so. See? There we have the triangle shape. And then you just have to cut it and fold again. Next step, you just have to cut 2 slits. And make a hole, like so. Now put the other piece through the hole to bring the ends together, like so. This way you're not using glue or plastic tape. You can also reinforce the tinfoil by wrapping extra tinfoil on it. Then repeat to make other shapes. Now cookie cutters are done. 2½ tablespoons of sugar is used. Stir until it melts. Once it's melted, use 1 pinch of baking soda and mix. Timing varies based on the type of stove you have. And then you pour on the parchment paper. I've waited 15 to 20 seconds before I placed a cookie cutter. Once I placed the cookie cutter, I lifted the cookie cutter quickly. And I just repeat the steps. Pour it on the side to test. This is the last one.